Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce us from Group 11. We will present Unit 14 about repo speech. Next. Before that, I and my friend will introduce ourselves first. My name is Holden Rafi. I am from Information System major.
My name is Ahmad Haris Insanul Kamil and my majority is Information System.
My name is Ahmad Zamzami. I'm from Information Student Major.
Next. The first one is passive voice. Passive voice is a quality of a verb that describes when the subject of a sentence is acted upon by the verb. For example, the one, the sheriff was shot. This is an example of the passive voice. The action is done to the subject. When the opposite is true, i.e. the subject of the sentence is acting on the verb, it is said to be in active voice. For example, 2 is shot the sheriff. This is an example of the object voice. The subject does the action. In other words, a verb is said to be in the passive voice when its subject does not perform the action of the verb but has the action of the verb performed on it. Next.
Comparing the passive voice and the active voice. To identify a verb in the passive voice, identify its subject and then determine that the subject is being acted upon. Next. Passive voice example. A knife was used to commit the murder. Step 1. Find the subject, a knife. Step 2. Find the verb, to use. Step 3. Ask, did the subject perform the verb? No, it didn't, as its subject did not perform the action of the verb. Was used is a verb in the passive voice. The knife didn't do anything. It was passive. That's the point. Next. Voice example. The murderer used a knife. Step 1. Find the subject, the murderer. Step 2. Find the verb, to use. And step 3. Ask, did the subject perform the verb? Yes, it did, as its subject performed the action of the verb. Use is a verb in the active voice. The murderer did something. He was active. That's the point. Next.
5 good reasons to use the passive voice. Reason 1 is the passive voice is useful to avoid blame. Reason 2, the passive voice often show a neutral or objective tone. Reason 3, the passive voice can be appropriate when the actor is unimportant, unknown, or obvious. Reason 4, the passive voice is useful to emphasize something by putting it at the start of your sentence. Reason 5 is a passive voice construction allow you to use the same subject twice. Writing a report text. A report text provides the reader with information on a chosen topic by providing them with facts. Purpose of report text. The social purpose of a report text are to describe something in general, to presenting information about something as it is, to describe the way things are. Generic structure of the report text. Report text has only two generic structure. A general classification. It states classification of general aspect of thing which will be discussed in general. B. Description. It tells what the phenomenon under discussion in terms of part, quality, habits, or behavior. Language feature of report text. Number 1, use of general nouns. For example, hunting dogs rather than particular nouns. For example, or dogs. Use of relating verb to describe feature. For example, molecules are tiny particles. Some use of action verb when describing behavior. For example, Amos cannot fly. Use of timeless present tense to indicate usualness. For example, tropical cyclones always begin over the sea. Use of technical terms. For example, isobar are lines drawn on a weather map. Use of paragraph with topic sentence to organize bundles of information. Repeated naming of the topic as the beginning focus of the clause. Use of passive voice. It is an example of formal non-fiction writing. In common with lots of formal writing, they often apply the passive voice. The passive voice draws attention away from the doer of speaker and brings the attention firmly back on the object itself.
Thank you for watching our presentation video. Sorry if there are any wrong words. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.